far is far in lives of people today, and how closely are we connected to the world around us? With these questions in mind, I walked around the venue of the 3rd China International Supply Chain Expo in Beijing and asked people if they saw anything that was once considered distant from our lives, but is now very close.
It's glad to see the driverless cars have been shown here. Previously, we will never imagine there's a driverless cars driving on the road. People may concern about the safety, may concern about many effects that will affect their life.
我觉得应该就是低空驾驶的这个无人机。
A lot of robotic, artificial intelligence in practical terms, yeah, quite exciting.
非常意外，有很多人去了解玻利维亚，还有很多人过来之前查了很多资料，说玻利维亚的金矿是有名的，包括其他的稀有矿产。
In a single exhibition hall, you can find yourself standing between the two far ends of a global industrial chain, where a tiny rubber gasket used in your phone's buttons sits alongside the world-leading company it was designed for. The wildest things are brought together here. Smart logistics and warehousing is combined with vegetable planting, such as cultivating hydroponic vegetables in automated storage racks. Suitcases can also be scooters, helping people get around airports more conveniently. The future is imminent. From autonomous vehicles to next-generation green materials, from intelligent robots to mind-controlled prosthetic limbs, technology that once felt far off are now here, connected through a chain that links ideas to invention and invention to real life. So what exactly is this chain?
We expect to find some interesting partners and some distributors who are interested to share our story and love for biscuits with China people and maybe explore here furthermore what are the opportunities.
What we have to do and what we did today and what we are fighting today, actually, and we can only do that is through cooperation.
We just want to look for more opportunities to deepen our cooperation with our partners, and also we can also looking for some overseas market partners.
In this world, actually, we must be connected, not be dependable for one person or one country. If we go together as a global, we're gonna be better every time. One day in the future, we're gonna be just one world.
What may seem distant, advanced, technological, out of reach is, through the supply chain, quietly becoming part of our daily lives. And that's the deeper truth. This chain isn't just about industries and goods, it's about people, interlinked, interdependent, and moving forward together.